Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another of my unboxings. Today we're gonna be checking out the Hawks. These are bone conducting sports headphones by Outdoor Tech. Besides that, remember to check the video about the Beacon, which is a headlamp, perfect for camping. We have, remember that they have a power bank, which is called the Kodiak Slim, and they have a cable with all the cables called the Calamari. All these products are on their website, so check them out. In the future, we're gonna be doing the Bullfrog, which is a big speaker with a big bass on it, plus is a power bank. And also you guys can see the Orbit over that. Headphones, perfect for ignoring people. They are noise canceling. You can control them with the app. And if you plug them into your PS5 controller, you get a gaming headset. And that's it. All right, but first on this video, we're gonna be focusing on the Hawk. So this one is IPX6. It has 6 hours of playtime. It weighs 35 grams, which is super light. I'm pretty sure that you're not gonna be able to feel it, and it's rechargeable. As you guys can see on the box, it's perfect for sports and be able to be aware of your surroundings. So as we can see on the box, it will be perfect for biking because you can listen to your music, but also you don't have anything covering up your ears, so you guys can actually listen to the environment, or when you go for a run in the street and stuff like that, right? So over here we have the controls. They have bone conduction technology, healthy listening, because it protects your hearing, because the bone conduction eliminates the risk of hearing damage that comes with listening audio too loud throughout your ear canal. Okay, they are waterproof and dustproof and open ear, right? So that's perfect. And it also has hands-free assistant. So that means that you can call in your personal assistant, either Siri or OK Google, just by doing your voice. They also have a button for that. So without further ado, after checking out the box, we are going to open this bad boy up and show you exactly what you will get before you buy it. So let me check this out. Guys, give me 1 sec. Because we do have some plastic on it, and I just want to take the plastic off camera. And I'm having a hard time. All right, I'm done, guys, I'm done. All right, so we are going to figure out how to open this box. All right. And again, inside the box, we will have the user manual, very important. We will have the unit itself. And it looks like this. So this one will go on the outside of your ear. Here you have their branding, and on the other side, you have the controls of the unit itself. All right. And we also have this little box, which I'm guessing that it has a cable. Yes. So we have the power cord, which is USB-A to USB-C for charging your device. So I'm gonna wear this out and I'm gonna let you know how they go, and I'll come back to you and tell you a little bit more about them. All right. So with the magic of addition, I'll come back. All right, guys. So after doing some testing with the Hawks, I was able to make some phone calls, get some messages, talk to Siri, play some music, more importantly. And on top of that, I had some people here in my house to talk to me when I was listening to music. And it's very, very different from what you usually when you're using any type of headphones that go inside your ear or over your ear. So it is a revolutionary concept, if you ask me, right? So the idea behind them is for you to place them like right there, right? Right, very close to your ears, and they will hold themselves with a headband on it, and you can do pretty much everything that you can do with normal headphones, but this ones, they will not go inside your ear. So I strongly recommend you for you guys to check this one out. Simple controls, very comfortable design, very good audio, and it's a very funny feeling to actually get something that is outside your ear to for you to listen to music with. So perfect for going for a jog, going on bike rides. That way you will still be able to hear the environment around you without jeopardizing any type of security, just for, just to listen to some tunes, right? So I will strongly recommend you guys I will strongly recommend you guys to check them out. They're very cool, and I will leave you with that. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, I do have the product right here in front of me. So if you guys can think of anything that I didn't cover in the video, please let me know. If you like this type of content, remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment, all of that good stuff, right? And next week we are going to open up the bullfrog, and that way you guys can actually see what is inside the unit before you buy it. Remember that we have new products in outdoor tech. We have the beacon, the Hawks, the Orbit. We also have the Range, which is the new speaker, and the Calamari cable, which has all the cables that you need. So perfect for one cable to rule them all, if you want to call it that way. So guys, I'll leave you with that. Hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you next time.